The squirrel is getting more active. It was just sitting there. It's finished its meal. It looks more like a meerkat than a squirrel. It looks more like a rodent or something. Where the fuck are you going? Where the fuck are you going, squirrel? That's right. Where are you going? He's come back for more. The squirrel just does not care about me. It's a baby. It's a wee little babby. It's newborn. Its fur hasn't even grown yet. Where are your parents? he gave me one last look. We'll call him Slut. Goodbye, Slut.